southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania. 6:26 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams. As well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Ben Salem, Florence, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 48 and 56. New Jersey Turnpike between exit 6 and 6A. Flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.